Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
Now let's take a look at how we create quick notes. Quick notes, called unfiled notes in version 2010, is a holding area for content that you haven't yet put into an organizational structure, and also for content that you send to OneNote from other programs. Therefore, a quick note is not attached to any particular notebook, section, or page. The Quick Notes section is part of the OneNote application itself and is shared by all your notebooks, so any content you add there will be stored until you move it. Let's examine a situation where you might use a quick note. If you were in a meeting and wanted to take a quick note, but didn't want to open the OneNote application and navigate to the correct notebook, section, and page, you can create a note and store it in OneNote for future organization. Now, the easiest way to create a quick note is to use the keyboard shortcut, which you can use anywhere within the Windows operating system. Hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and then press the N key to display the Send to OneNote clipping panel. Now just click or tap the New Quick Note button right here. Or you can also tap the N key on your keyboard to display the mini window that we see here in which we can add our note. Now this small window is actually a different view of the OneNote program. From this window you can actually view the entire application by clicking the Normal View button in the upper right corner of the window, located right here. Now in version 2010, the button is called the Full Page View button and is contained in the Quick Access toolbar, which also appears in this window. So let's go ahead and we'll go and create our quick note, just a quick little note from this page here. We'll type our note. Once you're done creating your quick note, you can close out the window by clicking the X in the upper right hand corner. OneNote will then display a message letting you know it's created a new quick note stored in the quick notes section of OneNote. When you display the quick notes section of OneNote, you'll see the notes that you've sent there. You can then select the note by clicking on it and then copy and paste it or cut and paste it into any page in any notebook you wish. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. And we will go ahead and open up our quick notes. We'll use our drop-down navigation here and select quick notes, and there's our note that we created. So we could click on it to select it, for example, and we could copy it, and then maybe we want to go back to our work notebook here, and we're on products, and we can add it down in its own note here just for informational purposes and paste that right into that particular page. So that's how you create a quick note. That's the easiest way to do that. No matter where you're at in the Windows operating system, use that shortcut. Create the note and then you can organize your notes later.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.